If you are facing the below error and you are looking for solutions to solve it, so you are at the right place. This error normally arises when the DLL initialization start to fails or you are having an outdated version of Office 365. So this error normally shows when you are opening an Outlook or any Office 365 application. To solve this, just you have to go to the control panel, and once you are in the control panel, just go to the uninstall a program and find Microsoft 365 apps. Right click and go to the change and run a quick repair. It will take few minutes and it will solve your issue, and you will be not getting this error anymore. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share, like, subscribe my channel.